Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a new list in Trello. If you want to have another place on your board to compile new cards, you can create a new list on your board. After creating the new list, you can add new cards or move existing ones from other lists. You can create a new list in your Trello board whether you're on your phone or computer. So, on your desktop, visit the Trello web app on your preferred web browser and sign into your account. Go to the board that you want to manage. Head to the rightmost side of the board and name the list and click the Add List button to confirm your decision. After creating the new list, you can add more cards or transfer existing ones from other lists on the app. You can drag your list to rearrange them across the board. Changes made to your board are visible to everyone that has access to it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.